Hello everyone! Good evening sa inyong lahat. I am so happy right now because alam mo yon, you have a childhood dream and you just reach the point that you are able to get that one, and though there would always be circumstances that would stop you from achieving those dreams, pero nakuha mo. Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Only shout out, Barter community. Thank you so much for having this community. Ngayon pa na siguro if nasi-speechless ako. Masaya ako. I mean, others may think that ngayon pa? Ba't ngayon pa? I mean, you've got to spend your money wisely, pero ba't ngayon pa? Diba? With the situation natin ngayon, tapos gagista ka lang ng ganun-ganun lang. I mean, other people would look at that way, pero if alam mo yung feeling to be a dreamer from the very beginning, and you are at this point na nasa kamay mo na, actually binitawan ko pa siya, pero alam mong guilty ka sa self mo na yun nga yung sasabi ko, you have it na, tapos bakit mo pa bibitawan? I know you don't understand, but for those who are not part of our because of this pandemic, Ilonggos were trying to lift up each other, and we had this Iloilo Barter community on Facebook wherein Ilonggos are able to exchange goods without spending any cash. And there's this one person, he is actually a stranger for me, pero before of course the deal, I checked his page if legit ba siya, kamusta ba yung profile niya, nag-BI tayo, sino bang mga kakilala niya, nakakilala ko din, saan siya nanggaling, sinong pamilya niya. I mean, you have to make sure of the person that you'll be transacting to. Honestly, I mean, Ilonggos are generally makaya mong i-trust. Pero this item na pinost niya was a big amount. I mean, hindi siya na amount, but you know, it's okay, I'll reveal it to you. It's a vintage car. Aside from being a vintage car, someday in the near future, if you know how to maintain, if you know how to take care, if you want to upgrade, it is part of a luxury line. It's a collectible actually, and it's my dream car. Then to all my Ibako members, as promised during my first bid, I got to document things and update you and show you. Oh, hindi ko siya nasad kuya kang kapon. That's why hindi kuya katulog. Hindi ko katulog. I mean, nakatulog ko 2 a.m. 3. No, actually 5 a.m. 5 a.m. na ko nakatulog. Tapos pagbugtaw ko, nabugtawan ko actually, kay na overheard ko ang voice sa owner. In my dream. Hindi siguro. Yeah, oo. I was dreaming na hindi ko naman remember ang exact na words na ginhambal niya, but I am sure na nabatian ko ang iya nga voice. And amo na. So kagina, I woke up 9 a.m. and now it's currently 12. Magwa-1 na. I just closed the deal. And this is what happened last time. She posted that one last Wednesday, and I replied on Friday. And I went to the car on Saturday. I went back to him on Sunday. I threw out everything yesterday, Sunday night. And now I'm back. I'm back to regain myself. Why did I do that? And yun, nag-comment ako and nag-reply siya. And I got my gym car. So yeah, this is what happened last Saturday. Hello mga kabangbang! Alright, ari na kita, nakapuli na kita sa Iloilo, and currently I am here at SM City at Harbor City! Currently time check, it's 2:30 p.m. and wala pa ako ka-lunch. After this one, ma-proceed na kita sa aton nga Mr. Beetle! I'm gonna meet Mr. Beetle later. And I'm gonna bring you there. Yes! Thank you! Hey, I got my siopaw na, and let's go out and eat. Bye! Nagutom na gid ko yan. Ayan. Eating, and so tired. I'm tired also.
Something new?
Hindi ko gid siya makaya kagina, so I already ate my siopaw.
Coffee scotch squares with almonds.
Yeah, from RG's. I'm next. Yes, done. Now we will go to Mr. Beetle. Yeah. Thank you, Manang. Alright, of course, I could not forget our transaction na kailangan may kape tayo for our meeting with Mr. Beetle. That's why we are here at Dunkin' Donuts before we go to his house to meet our Beetle. Of course, hindi pa siya closed deal, pero at least we have a word and we have to bring what was offered on line. Alright. Wala na silang brewed coffee. Nandun na siya. We are gonna see the Beetle. Yes! May, grabe, excited na ako. Of course, syempre, dapat sigurista kita. So, nagdalagid ako sang expert para sa aton baw atutong nanay ko. Para safe man kita, may gwardiya kita.
Start lang. Sige lang. Start lang, dirito lang.
Ano na dala mo, mamate? O mga buhay kadlagan ka?
Siya sa lately lang ako nag-drive ng Lawig. Kahit lang ako mag-drive kaysa sa mag-commute. So, nag-isakit ako ng rest.
Oo.
And now I can feel it.
Gusto mo try?
So, ano siya? I gotta try it. Lugin ako naka-drive sa manual. So, wish me all the best. Bye!
Hello mga friends, mga viewers, guys and girls. 3:30 na, hindi mo ko gyapon katulog. Men, grabe. Kagina ko lang, hanggapon ko lang gid na check ang bao. Hangapon nga dream car. And I want to share with you this dream wall of mine. There is ako in your room. Look at this one. Panyo bikon din. Na. So that's fox. Beetle. So it's part of my dream wall. Kaya hindi ako mapakali. Kasi merong parts ng car na kailangan pang ayusin. If totally everything's okay, I would definitely go for it. But now I ask for a day to think over if I'll give it a deal. Oh, grabe. Nag-usap kami kanina hanggang 12 midnight. And now it's already 3:30, 3:40. Di ako makatulog. I have until tomorrow lunchtime to decide if I'll push through the deal. Grabe, no? Parang akala mo ako pa yung nagbigay ng deal eh. Yun, if I'll go for the barter. Di pa ako nakabili ng iPhone. Actually, it's this the rules in our community, cashless transaction. And that's why mahirap mag-bid. Mag-bart. Sana kanina ko pa kayo kinausap para makatulog ako, di ba? Hi! Magkafe! Kamusta? Makdo. Maramon nga food. Share. Social distance. No, kakapoy. Mag-imagine nga mo ng aton life. Skylax. Wow, Angelina. Before ka mo mag-barter, kao nanay.
Walang
Tapos manong.
Jasper.
Jasper.
Estudyante ko sa una.
Nga?
Para sa Angelina.
Sa Angelina. Wow, shout out Jasper. Kasi manong nga.
Last ko.
Manong! Nila sa ngakon nga. Yes. Okay, see you later. So tired, so hot. Yay! Thank you, Manong!
Kita ni 20 ng peso.
Thank you. Nag-do the errands muna yung mother ko while I stay here in the car. It's so tiring. Grabe. Nakakapagod ng setup na to. Like, sobra. Tulad ng sinabi ko, yung pinaka nahihirapan is every time you go out, kailangan mong maligo pagkabalik ng bahay. Number 2, you're always be in a rush. Wala nang you don't have the time to chill, to relax when you're out because you have to avoid being in the public places. And number 3, nakakamiss yung mga pagkain. Pagkain sa labas. That's why you should be really thankful for all the delivery man, the riders who have been sacrificing para lang dala ng mga goods sa ating bahay. Nakakapagod talaga. Hindi na kami nakapag-lunch. I just bought a burger. Ngayon nagkakape lang ako. I actually bought 1 coffee from Mr. Beetle kaso mamaya pa pala kami magkikita. So, I don't think na may bibigay ko pa to sa kanya. Pag binigay ko to sa kanya later at 3 p.m. Currently, it's 12 noon. Well, it's malamig na. I bought cheeseburger deluxe. Here. See it? Share kami ni Mother Earth. There. Meron na siyang lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. And there you go. I really thought I was prepared to let go of it, but after 24 hours, I found myself scanning through her pictures, and I just can't help but leave a message for him. Nag-reply na siya. Man! I gotta get the black beetle! You know, I'm here na in my room, and you know, I told you earlier that I have this is my dream wall. This is my dream wall, and look at that. I'll show you my there. That's my dream car. See? And of course, if you have a dream, this is supposed to be a dream wall, but you know, I just had it in my dream column, and there's a house, there's money, and love, bike. Yeah, I got my bike. I just showed the Mr. Beetle actually a picture of my bike with the mirror. More birthdays to come. I'm inviting you all. I don't know actually when will I'll be posting this video, but yeah, I'll be celebrating my virtual birthday on June 1. That's actually on May 31 midnight, so I hope you could come during my live stream. This is ballet, you know, I love dancing. I wish I could be a ballet dancer, but well, hindi. Happiness! More keys! Key for success! Coins! Family! Yun. I'm so excited to see the black ba? Oh, man! Nag-iisip na ako kung ikukulain ko ba siya ng red tulad niyan, or I'll keep it black and I just place my name on it. Yeah, you gotta see my car. My Beetle! Yeah, here in Iloilo, as we tour around, I will tour you around the city. Let's do more mukbangs. Let's eat. Let's celebrate. Once this pandemic is over, I will show you how wonderful Iloilo is. The food is. Let's see if we could ask Mr. Beetle to join us in our vlogs. Yeah. But yeah, there. That's it. And I'll see you and I'll give you more updates. Thanks! Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!